All right, we're working on the 2013 M8 HCR Snow Pro. This should be good for basically any snowmobile ever. This is just the easy way I've found to replace your snowmobile Skags. These ones are pretty cooked. As you can see, there's no carbide left, and they're dead flat and super skinny. They're supposed to be this thick, and they're this thick, and they're a little bent. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I prop this thing up and how it makes it way easier than trying to jack your sled up or do some weird stuff. All right, so I went ahead and took a motorcycle stand. Makes it a little bit easier to prop it up on the handlebar right there. So, nice thing about these newer sleds, you can literally just put them on their side super easy. And we'll line it up here. All right. I found it easiest to do this just one at a time. So I already went ahead and took the ski and the Skag off, which come off as one. All you need to do is loosen up these three nuts. 1, 2, this one snapped off as I was loosening it, but 3. They're 14 millimeter on this model sled. All right, these are SLP Carbides 35-162. Let's go ahead and cut this open and pop them on. Look at the difference. There's absolutely no carbide left. It's paper thin. Oh my goodness. All right. So this is pretty self-explanatory. We got one hole in the back. Line these up. Pop it on without cutting yourself. And then get your hardware ready. And we'll go ahead and pop this battery back on. Oh. There we go. And we'll pop these nuts on. When you do this, it makes sense to loosen them while they're on the ground and then only do one ski at a time. I find it a lot easier when you lean the sled to have a ski on the other side. That way it's not one to slide out and come rolling over. Anyways, quick little video. Hope this helps. I know a lot of you know this trick, but some of you who are just getting into snowmobiling, it might be a lot easier than you think. Instead of jacking it up and having the ski go like this as you're trying to get underneath it and getting Skags on when you can't see. It's right at head height. And make sure you comment and like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more fun content on stuff like this.